Jackson Hole, the biggest event this year, and it could be the biggest event in the last few years, at least since Donald Trump has come into power. Is the market going to crash tomorrow, or is it going to boom? We're going to cover it live. We're going to give you all the information. We are just about to hit 100,000 subscribers. We have the biggest party planned. If you are a member, you're in for a very special treat. If you are a subscriber, you're also in for a treat. Please do subscribe to us. Get ready for the biggest event ever. Mr. Beast has got nothing on this. I promise you. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I know how to put a party on. Click subscribe and ring the bell and tap the like button. We're going to go over all the information that you need for Jackson Hole in the morning. We're covering it live. In fact, when you're watching this video or live stream, because I'm making it live, either one will take you to the event in the morning. So if you're watching this video, it'll take you directly to this event. You cannot afford to miss it. It's early in the morning, very unusual. Jerome Powell speaking so early, but he is. Is that telling? I think it is. It's going to have a lot of effect on the market. That's in the morning. And if you're watching me make this live, it's also going to take you through to Jackson Hole in the morning. So stay right where you are. And at the end, I'll also give you a chance to win $1,000 in XRP, plus many more prizes. You remember when Oprah Winfrey says, you win a car, and then she says, everybody wins a car. Everyone's going to win with me. I'll explain that at the end. But first of all, have you all tapped the like button? Have you all subscribed yet? Are we rolling it round? You can see down there, look. Down there, 97,528. Let's try and get it to 550 as I'm making this. All right, so let's go into the information that you need to be prepared for the morning. Powell set to address rate cut expectations at Jackson Hole's speech on Friday. We're covering it in the morning. You can see rate cuts. We've got all kinds of issues, inflation control, the FOMC report. It's going to be hell of a morning, and we've been trying to trade today. Had no success yet. I've been buying more, but not been able to trade. It's in a very tight range. The S&P is going up and down. That tells you it's about to break one way or the other. The question is, which? Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will deliver a pivotal speech at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. We're going to go live at 7:30 a.m. Central Time to make sure that we are there, ready and trading before it. During the Kansas City Fed's Jackson Hole Economic Symposium titled Economic Outlook Framework Review. As markets look, I've just got a subscriber just popped over the information. I can't quite see it. Thank you so much, though. As markets look for clarity on the Fed's September rate cut intentions, this appearance also marks Powell's last at Jackson Hole before his term ends in May 2026. He steps into the spotlight amid conflicting data. July saw just 73,000 jobs added, with downward revisions, erasing 258,000 jobs from May and June, pulling the three-month average down to 35,000. Meanwhile, the personal consumption expenditures index rose from 2.1% in April to 2.6% in June, pushed higher by lingering tariffs under President Trump. Market pricing now shows an 85% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut at the September 17th FOMC meeting, down from 99% a week ago. Powell's remarks are expected to provide crucial signals for investors ahead of September as the Fed faces a sharp dual mandate conflict. Analysts expect he may use this platform to propose a shift away from the flexible average inflation targeting policy adopted in 2020 in favor of a more preemptive approach to managing inflation. Such a change could reshape the Fed's approach well beyond Powell's tenure, especially as inflation remains above target and labor market indicators soften. He's doing this to create a legacy, by the way, in case you're wondering. Markets are bracing for either a dovish pivot that could trigger rallies or a cautious tone that might disappoint those betting on an imminent cut Sensei's thoughts on this, this is our analyst, he gives his thoughts and opinions. His tone could redraw the monetary map for 2025 and beyond. Right. Let me show you some more information, what I'm doing and how I'm trading. You can see that the market is going up and down around the S&P right now. The whole market is in a very tight trading pattern. You see it bouncing up and down. I've been trying to buy more this morning. I'm trying to trade and de-risk. I've been unable to buy more. I've been unable at the right price, and I've been unable to de-risk at the right price. I bought some Walmart to give myself some protection from tomorrow because it was oversold today because of the earnings. Let me give you some more headlines of the way the markets are seeing this. So Wall Street drifts lower as Walmart weighs on markets and eyes up on Jackson Hole. This is an important one. This is why I bought Walmart today, for a quick scalp trade, but also to protect against a larger drop because the money will go into a staple like Walmart. The Nasdaq and Dow slip on Thursday, pressured by declining shares of Walmart, all while investors looked ahead to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, upcoming speech at Jackson Hole on Friday. The tech-focused Nasdaq currently trades down. At the same time, the benchmark is lower by 0.2, and the blue-chip DGI has ticked down on the day by 0.3. From an individual sector point of view, 9 of the 11 S&P segments are down in the red, led by consumer staples and consumer discretionary. At the other end of the spectrum, healthcare has been the strongest performing segment. J&J has been my staple for ages, going to $200. Over in the bond market, yields are moving higher. The longer end US 10-year Treasury yield pushed up 3 basis points to 4.32, and the shorter end US 2-year Treasury has climbed up 3 basis points to 3.78. Other news. We've also got Walmart falls after eating some tariff costs, hence why their earnings was a miss, but their guidance was good going forward. Target and Costco also lower. However, I bought Walmart because it's taking share from Target. So I like that as a going forward play, as a defense position for tomorrow. And finally, initial jobless claims rise more than consensus. Continuing claims continue to climb. Now, this is another headline that makes it difficult for Jerome Powell to cut rates. What does he do? Does he cut rates to protect jobs and stimulate growth? Or does he risk inflation going higher? So what does he do? Well, we know that inflation is the biggest issue. So will he cut rates tomorrow, 0.25? I think he might do. He needs to. The market are expecting it. And if he gets a 0.5, the market will rally. So I hope you enjoyed this. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. That is 0.8 of all channels in the world. It's like winning a bronze medal at the Olympics. And I've actually done it like winning a gold medal. Why? Because I've gone live, not made lots and lots of videos. I have made lots of videos, but I'm live all day, every day. I've done it the hard way to prove that you can build a YouTube channel to 1/6% of all the channels in the world by just going live and doing it the real way. Building the community. That's what YouTube was designed for. We're giving away $1,000 in XRP. We're giving away prizes, and we're even doing a very special event to benefit you as well that you don't even know about yet. You'll know about that very, very soon. I hope you will become a member and you'll subscribe, because members have a special party planned as well. So please do consider that as we hit the 100,000, which could be just days away. I'm predicting around about 7 to 10 days, but it could come earlier because we sometimes get 1,000 subscribers a day. So it could happen as early as Monday. Anyway, I'm now going to give you the event that you need to see. This is the big event happening tomorrow. You cannot afford to miss it. This is the event. It's the Jackson Hole event. I hope you'll all join me for that. It's going to be a major, major event tomorrow. You all want to be there. Now, at the end of this, I'm going to give everyone the link, whether you are watching live or whether you're watching the video, pinned to the top in the live chat, and in the chat is for you. Everybody else watching live, watching the video, you will see it in the links below as well. So if you're watching the video or the live, it'll take you to the event. I'm going to wrap this up, and the next time you see me will be this video coming out for the closing bell, which will then go to Jackson Hole. If you're watching live, you will go directly to Jackson Hole, and I hope you'll watch this video at 2 p.m. in a couple of hours from now. But the next time you see me live will be tomorrow morning for the Jackson Hole. And if there are any trades between now and then, I'll post it on my X. There is my X. And if you want to become a member, here is the membership link. For those watching live, it's in the chat now. Everybody else, it'll be below in the description of the video. You can win $1,000 of XRP and many prizes. Everyone's going to win. We're going to give tons away. There is the giveaway. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. The same if you are watching. If you are watching later, you'll see it in the description and the comments and so on. And everybody watching it live, it's in the chat. But that's it from me. Thank you for joining me. I've been live for like 7 hours now, and this is it. We're getting ready for the biggest event of the year. Could be the biggest event actually over the last 4 years that I've done the channel. We could reach 100,000. We could be giving away $1,000 when we get there. And also, of course, we could see a huge rally or a huge crash. I'm all in. It's one way or the other. I'm prepared. Are you? Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description. Down also pinned to the comments, you'll find all the links. Over here, I shall put the Jackson Hole event for the morning. And down here, I shall put the video that tells you all about the $1,000 giveaway. That's it from me. I will see you live in the morning, whether you're watching live or the video. Either way, you'll end up right now at the Jackson Hole event. That's it. I've done my best. Tomorrow, you make or lose your money. I hope you all win. I know I will. I hope you will. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.